Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me video and it's my birthday. So if you guys like to see how I got this glowy look, then please keep watching. Hi, I'm Raben Taylor and here I do makeup tutorials, reviews, and giveaways. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing and wish me happy birthday. And let's get right into this video. Guess what? It's my birthday! Happy birthday to you, yes. Happy birthday to you, and happy birthday, dear Raben. So on my birthday, I don't want to have a bold look. I usually like going for like very natural looks on my birthday. That's what I'm gonna do. Since it's my birthday, I'll just tell you guys like about me and stuff. Like my history, what I mix with, all that stuff. Okay, let's do that. Let's do it. Okay. Alright, so my name is Raben. And you know, I go by Raben because it's easier for everybody. But if you want to call me a Raben, you can. But call me Raben. And I was born in Fairfax, Virginia. So I'm 24 years old today. I'm grown. I am the 6th child of 8. But of course, I am my parents' favorite because I came out the most good looking. I am a Cancer, and I feel like we got the worst name out of all the zodiac signs. Like, do I like being a Cancer? Yes. It has its ups and downs because we are really nice people. But I tell you, it takes a very understanding person to be our friend. Gosh, 6 more years and I'll be 30. I wonder what I'll do when I'm 30. Like, obviously, I'm gonna win my Grammy like next year, but like after that, what do I do? My birthday this year fell on a Thursday, so there's really nothing that I can do. You know, like I can't go out or anything. I don't know, I'm not even a going out person anymore. Like I don't go out party like that anymore. And if I do, it's either because one of my friends really wanted me to go, or I went there for like networking. I eat seafood every birthday, and the reason I do is because, well, I don't know, I really like seafood even though I'm allergic, but they just so good with some butter and some Old Bay. Oh, I can tell you guys what I got for my birthday because the only person that's gonna get me something is Mark. Mark got me some new shoes, and they're literally, I think they're my favorite shoes in the world because I've never had like tennis shoes before, like good tennis shoes before. It feels so good to have a good pair of shoes. Now I know the value of like when people buy shoes. Like I feel like it's my birthday, so I should probably go buy something that I've really wanted, but I think I'll wait until another birthday. This concealer is drying up on me. Oh my gosh. Comment down below what your zodiac sign is and what people say is like your zodiac sign stereotype. Something ain't right about my eyebrows. They crooked. I don't care what people say about your eyebrows are not supposed to be twins or sisters. No, your eyebrows are supposed to be identical. Take your time. The person who told me my eyebrows are supposed to be sisters and not twins was a snake, and I stopped being her friend. They're the type of friends to tell you to go into a haunted house. Like, oh my gosh, let's spend the night at a haunted house. Yeah, plenty of people died here before. Let's see what happens to us. Those type of friends, don't trust them. It took such a long time on my eyebrows. I'll just put like the fiber lashes. I'm so glad I got that mascara because on days like this where I don't want to wear lashes, I could just wear that. I'm vlogging today, so if you guys want to see what I do for my birthday, make sure you go subscribe to my vlog channel. Freedom, I won't let you down. I will not give you up. I don't know the lyrics. When I was in high school and I was a dancer, I told my dance instructor, whatever, that bitch. I told her that I wanted to do a dance based on inequality and segregation and like, you know, how it was in the past and how we are today, which was what they teach us in school anyway. And she was like, no, that's very controversial. Like, no. That would have been a great dance. I'm running out of foundation and I think I need a darker foundation because your girl is getting crisp in the sun. Let me go damp my beauty blender. Back and I'm better. I'm starting to wonder. When I was a young boy. Okay, anyway, when I was younger, like I would always notice that people would wish me happy birthday on my Facebook, and I was like, dang, half these people don't even know me. Like, I don't want them to say happy birthday just because Facebook told them to. Like, if you genuinely know my birthday and you genuinely know me, then say happy birthday. So I took my birthday off of Facebook, but then I noticed that no one was saying it, so I posted back up so people can give me attention like it's my birthday. I have 7 other siblings, and I'll be spending my birthday with none of them. Shade or no shade? Okay, when I first tried this Mabeline foundation, I really liked it, and I still do really like it, but your girl needs something that's a little more red. This oxidizes darker, which is cool. I think it's probably the concealer that I use because sometimes I'll be looking hella ghosty. Like, I need more red in my face. More money mean more problems. I don't even have money, but I have a bunch of problems. T'Challa, oh, 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 T'Challa, oh, T'Challa, oh, 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 T'Challa, oh. In the past, dang, I look like Casper. Don't worry, everything will blend out. But in the past, I've always been like disappointed on my birthday. And it doesn't have anything to do with the people around me. I just get very disappointed. I don't know why. Like, I don't want to have, I feel like I wait for a long time for my birthday to show up. And then when my birthday is here, it's like, now what? Want that nose snatched? Woke up with dry eyes, my mind is racing. Feed a patient. I don't even think I'm gonna put powder on my face because I really want it to be dewy. I might put like a little bit of setting powder under my eyes, but that's it. I used to always have pool parties when I was younger for my birthday. I would always have pool parties. One time I had a pool party, and I think it was my 13th birthday, and I was having a pool party, and Mother Nature decided to visit me for the first time, and I was like, bitch. Then I ran to my mom. By the way, this hair is from Maxi Wigs. They sent me this hair and I like it a lot. Mark was like, dye it purple, which I probably would in the future. But right now I kind of like it black. When you wear purple, it's hard to wear other colors, especially other colors that clash with that color. And certain eye looks, because you do not want to go around looking like a clown. See, that warmed up a lot. All you gotta do is blend, girl, blend. I feel like my face went back to fat. Now I'm just gonna get my powder. This is my bronzing powder. This is in NW58. I'm gonna use that to just kind of go over where I contoured my face. Trying to remain positive this entire day, because depression tried to come for my ass this morning. And I said, depression, fuck off. And that bitch said, what? I'm staying, bitch. You laying in bed. And I said, okay, you right. And then Mark was like, no, she ain't right. Get up. And that's why I'm here, chatting with you guys. I had to put some mascara on because otherwise I'll look crazy. No, I'm not the one. And then for highlight, I'm gonna use the Babe in Paradise highlighting palette. And I think I'm gonna go for Chihu. And I really like this highlighter because, I mean, like, that's why. Put too much on my forehead. And then that's rush now because the battery is about to die. And then I'm gonna put some blush on. I'm still gonna blend that highlight, but I have to hurry up. And then some lipstick. Baby cherry on, actually. It's pink. But I think that's it for this look. I also did a review on this hair, and I will link that video up here for you guys to go check that out. It was a bunch of bundles. It was 4 bundles, but I only used 2 in a closure. And I sewed a wig. If you guys would like to see a video on how I sew my wigs, I'll link that up here too. It's really, really easy, not complicated at all. Maybe it's like a good tool that you guys can use to save money and like sew your own wigs. So let me know, comment down below on that video if that video was helpful, because I think it was helpful. All I want for my birthday is for you guys to subscribe to my channels. So go subscribe to my channels. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you for all the birthday wishes. Until next time, I will talk to you bees later. Bye.